Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna Srivastav and welcome to Code with BK. So in this video we write a C++ program to check if a character is a vowel or not. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel, because out of 100 viewers only 3 or 4 are subscribed. More than 95% of my audience is not subscribed and your subscription is very important. So please do subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So I have to write a C++ code to check if a single character is a vowel or not, and I'll be using 3 approaches. I'll be using the standard if else if, I'll be using a string method, and I'll be using a switch case. Okay, so these are the following 2 examples. If I have a lowercase a in a single character, the output is yes. Okay, if I have a uppercase f, the output is no. Okay, we know that the vowels are a, e, I, o, u, both lowercase and uppercase characters. So I'm going to start with my first function. Bool is vowel 1 takes a single character ch. Okay, and we will use the standard if else method in this case. Okay, the approach is very straightforward. You check the single character ch that has been passed to this method against all the possible cases of a, e, I, o, u, both lowercase and uppercase. Okay, so if ch is lowercase a or if ch is uppercase a, okay, these are the 2 cases for the character a, okay, the vowel a, or okay, a, e, I, o, u, and e, I, o, u. Okay, I'll have to remove this. So if ch matches any of these 10 possible cases, that means my ch is a vowel, so I return true. Okay, else I return false. Okay, this is my first approach. Okay, so let me quickly write a main. So I can say chars is equal to, let me say, take some characters a, lowercase e, maybe a question mark, maybe a digit 1, okay, maybe uppercase t, okay, maybe lowercase r, maybe uppercase p, and lowercase u. Okay, so int num chars is going to be size of chars by size of single char. Okay, I'm going to iterate this array. Okay, I plus plus. Okay, so if this ith character in this array is a vowel, is vowel 1, okay, chars of I, okay, I'm going to simply print C out chars of I is a vowel. Okay, right, you could do yes no as well. I mean, this was just to demonstrate that this is a vowel and this is not a vowel, right? Okay, I'm going to simply print if this vowel is a vowel, I'm going to simply print this is a vowel. Okay, so this is my code, right? And let me just compile and check. So compiles, check. So uppercase a, lowercase e, lowercase u, so these are the 3 characters: vowel, vowel, not a 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 vowel, and a vowel. Okay, so our function, okay, is vowel 1 works correct. Okay, the second approach is using string. Okay, so the second approach is I make this vowel 2. Okay, now how do I use string in this case? I am going to take a string that contains all the possible vowels, both uppercase and lowercase. Okay, so if my character is one of these characters, okay, if my character is found within this string, it means this character is a vowel because all of these are vowels. So I can say return vowels dot find, using the dot find method to look for a single character in this vowel ch is not equal to string dot npos. Okay, so find method on this string will take up the single character and check if the single character is found in this string or not. Okay, if it is found, it returns the index, the first index where this character is found in the string. If not found, it returns something like this. Okay, this is a constant. If you take a pointer here, this is the constant. Okay, this constant is returned if this character is not found in the string. Alright, so if this constant is not returned, that is the return value is not this constant, it means I was able to find this character in this string. It means this character is a vowel. Okay, so what I'm going to do is replace vowel 1 with vowel 2. Okay, and run the code again. Yep, compile twice, AEU again. Alright, moving on to my approach 3. okay, which is going to use a switch case. Okay, in this case, I use the idea of fall through of cases. That is, in a switch case block, if you don't put a break statement between two cases, then there will be a fall through of cases as long as there is no break statement found. Okay, or the switch block ends. Alright, that is, I take all the cases one after the other. Okay, alright, and for uppercase as well. Okay, so for all these cases I return true. Okay, and finally I return false if this case does not match any of these cases. Okay, so there is no match, so the control will come out of the switch case and it will return false. As I told you, this works because of the fall through of cases, so there is no break statement between any two cases. So wherever there is a case match, that is, if my ch is lowercase e, this is a case match here, so there is no break statement after case e, so it falls here, 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 till this returns true. Right, if there was something before this would also have been executed. Okay, and after it returns true, the control goes back from the to the calling function. Okay, so this is my approach 3. All right, and I'm going to change this to approach 3. Okay, so compile and run, and it works correct. Okay, all right, if we want we can take more vowels, uppercase u as well, then lowercase a, uppercase e. Okay, clear, compile, run. Okay, a e u o u a e. Okay, and let's change this to the second case, compile, run. Change this to the first approach, compile, run. Okay, all right, so this was the code to check if a single character is a vowel or not. And it might happen that you come across questions where you're asked how many vowels are there in a string, or just print all the vowels in the string. So in that case, all you have to do is iterate the string, pick up each character and check against one of these functions. Okay, all right, so this was the solution to this problem, and I hope this was helpful. So if there was anything that was not clear, you did not understand, please let me know in the comments. And you can always let me know in the comments if there's a question you want to solve, or if there's a concept you want to discuss. So please share your thoughts in the comments, and thank you for watching.